everyone. Today I am going to share with you my kale salad recipe. Yes, I said it, kale. Before you are quick to move on from this content, let me show you how to fall in love with kale with only 5 main ingredients. Stay tuned. Welcome to Robie's Cuisine. In this channel, I share my cooking, baking, and healthy food tips recipes with you. So if you are as passionate as I am about cooking and you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and make sure you click on the notification bell so you will stay up to date with all the new videos. Today I am going to share my kale salad recipe with you. My little background with kale. I didn't like kale. I have tried several times to incorporate kale into my diet because of all its health benefits, but I failed repeatedly. The first time I tried kale, it was in smoothie. Did not work for me. The second time I tried it, I tried to eat it raw. I also failed at it until I came up with this recipe that I'm about to share with you. If you don't know the health benefits of kale, I highly encourage you to research it. I can tell you that kale is a nutrition superstar. It's full with vitamins such as vitamin A, K, B6, and C. It's also low in calories. It can help lower your cholesterol, which may reduce the risk of heart disease. It's very high in fiber, which help prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive tract. We could spend the rest of the day talking about the health benefits of kale. Let's get into this recipe. All you need is 5 main ingredients. I have some organic curly kale. I already chopped them. I have some diced onions. I have some grape tomatoes. My secret ingredient, a can of tuna. For the seasoning, I also have some olive oil. For the seasoning, we are going to use the Haitian mixed spices. If you don't know about the Haitian mixed spices, I'm gonna make sure to put a link in the description below and in the YouTube card. If you don't have the Haitian mixed spices, you can use 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We also have some salt and ground pepper. If you are new with kale, I just want you to know that before you chop your kales, you want to make sure you remove the middle rib, because if you leave it on, it can make your kale recipe tough and a little bit bitter. So you want to make sure you take a paring knife and you just kind of go through it really, just to remove that. Here you go. Just to make sure you remove that. And I guess we're gonna go ahead and use this too. Just chop it really small. All right, are you ready? Let's get cooking. I have my pan on the stove. I have my stove on a medium setting. I have it on 6. So let's start by adding the olive oil. Now it's time to plate our salad. This is the final result of our kale salad recipe. I also added 2 slices of avocado. Just a quick reminder, we use 5 main ingredients: oil, onions, tuna, kale, and grape tomato. For the seasoning, I use the Haitian mixed spices, salt, and ground black pepper. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, make sure you like it, share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comment your experience with kale and what kale recipe you like. Please share it with me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video of Robie's Cuisine. Bon appétit.